Okay, now we got Connor. About to let him loose. We've been wondering if he was going to ever walk, but this, while discouraged by pediatricians, seems to be the technique that Connor prefers. Just like when they said swaddle and swaddle their arms, Connor didn't like that either.
Get up. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Come back over this way.
Put him back over this way.
Huh? Come here, Willie. Stand up. Go. Go, babies, go. Don't mind his outfit. We had an accident.
He's figuring out how to turn it around and everything. Well, more to come, but that's sort of the big man's first few steps. This is the other thing he likes. He likes to be pushed around in this thing. Is that fun? Crash!
Turn off.
Feels like turning off.